So I wanted to put the wreath that I had made from my Kmart placemat on the front door, and I went out to have a look at the front door, and it was really dirty, and it was also very faded and dry. Like this had stain and oil put on it originally. So I found some deck and exterior timber oil. This actually was a 4-litre tin, was only $15 when I bought it. It would be years ago now, and they don't sell it anymore. So it was really good value, but it is actually only oil. So I did find a little tin of Cabot's Merbau stain. It's probably about half a tin left, and I just added it to the oil to give it a nice rich colour when it was painted on. I think I'd only oiled this once before. I'd stained it and oiled it originally. We get the full brunt of the sun of an afternoon coming onto the store, hitting it, and so that's why it was so dry, and also because I hadn't done it in so long. But you can see there the difference that it makes. It just revitalizes it. It makes it healthy too, I guess. This just absorbed the oil so quickly and really sucked it in. It really doesn't take much to oil your timber. I have a lot of screens. We've got about 4 screens in different areas around the property, and I oil those every so often, and it just makes such a difference to them. You do see a lot of people that have this timber that they don't maintain, and it just dries out and looks really horrible and discoloured and just not maintained, and it looks ugly actually. And it really doesn't take much just to go over it quickly and oil it, and it comes up like new basically. So yeah, it can be a bit of an effort to get motivated to do it, but it doesn't take long, and once it's done, it's really worth it. So without thinking, I decided to also do the inside. The inside was very dry as well, but obviously it doesn't, get the sun hitting it from the outside. On second thoughts, actually, and after I had done it, I thought maybe I shouldn't have. It was very, very strong for a few days, especially the first day. It gave me a headache. I had to open the door and let it air out a lot. So this may be the last time I do it. Or if I do it again, maybe get some oil that isn't so strong. The fumes aren't so strong, but, again, it did bring it up lovely, and it's all done now, so that's the main thing, I guess. Like I mentioned at the beginning, I did this because I wanted to put up my wreath that I had made. I made it a few years ago, and I normally put the wreath inside the house, and I thought, no, this year I'm going to put it on the front door, which is where they're meant to be anyway, I guess. So now the door is nice and oiled and maintained, and I couldn't find my hammer, so I got my spirit level and started banging the nail in, and then I just put my pretty wreath up on the door, and I think it looks lovely. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put a link to it down below. Make sure you check it out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. La 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 la. La 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 la.